Hey, how you doing? So yesterday I had a really good surprise. A friend brought over check this out, cooktop, frying pan, two plates, two forks, a cutting knife, a spatula, bacon, eggs, and of course I paid her back, but $52. Not bad considering, especially considering the bacon. That was a surprise. Wouldn't have bought that. That was like $9. So, but also check this out. I've never used a burner like this. So here's these are the canisters, and they are burning. What are they burning? I don't know. Is it propane? I honestly don't know. So if you know, send a comment. I don't know what this is. Ion gas? LON gas, it says. But LPG, I thought that means propane. Anyways, check this out. It's pretty safe. You put this can in, and then in order to cook, you have to secure it. It has to be off. I don't know why. Oh, I think I didn't. There. Okay, so that has to be in place for it to work. And then you close it, and now you can turn it on, light it, and everything else, right? And then when you don't use it, you turn it off, and you release it, so the can is not even connected to the, see, watch, it pulls it in. So right now the can's not even connected, and it can't start a fire while it's not in use. Pretty awesome. Have a great day.